aggregation has been done. So SGW control plane and PGW control plane and MME will come under SMF, Session Management Function. Okay. Right?
Okay.
देखो मैं बताता हूँ यहाँ पे एक आर्किटेक्चर. This 5G core architecture, Telecom Global. This is also a very good site, or you can view YouTube videos as well, Telecom Global. Here, this line where my arrow is here. Above, this is 5G network architecture, 5G core. Above this line, everything is control plane.
Okay.
This is control plane. And here it is user plane. Below this blue line. As I told, only UPF will come under user plane.
User planes.
For 5G.
This UPF will connect with the SMF. Like SMF is nothing but HW and PGW functionalities are there. It will directly connect there and to get the details, right?
Right. SMF and MME, AMF as well on the control plane, because everything is control plane above this blue line. Okay. And this is your handset, UE is your handset, and this is your RAN, NG RAN, next generation RAN. So this is not your part of 5G core network, external network, external internet, external internet. So your 5G will come under your UPF come under user plane in 5G. This is
HSS, nothing but.
And AMF is MME.
MME, yeah.
MME. AUSF is your HSS and AAA server. And SMF will act as a control plane, SGW control plane, PGW and MME. It will work as a combination of all three. Now, there is an entity network slicing selection function. What is this? In 5G has three new things: NSF, NEF, and NRF. Network slicing is a thing like on a, you can understand like this, on a physical network, like any bare metal deployment architecture. On a physical network, we can deploy a logical network. So, for example, I'm into a gaming industry. For gaming, we can do a network slicing to dedicate a particular spectrum towards gaming industry or gaming users. So this features comes under network slicing. Okay.
Okay.
We can segment different industries in network slicing. Like there is another fixed FWA, fixed wireless access right now, which is coming under the protection. Like you have a DTH in your home. So fixed wireless comes under the 5G NR. NEF is network exposure function. Let's come to here. It exposes services and resource over APIs to the outside of the any third-party application will access via this NEF function. So it will be, everything will be on RESTful APIs. As I told, everything will be on HTTP 2.0 protocol on RESTful APIs. So to communicating, like in our ECE for any internal or external notification, what will comes under Kafka? We have excluded JMS because it has some limitation. For any internal or external notification, Kafka will be used. It is an Apache product. For here in 5G core network, for any internal or external third-party communication, we will do it from REST APIs. And who will support the NEF will support. Okay. We need to connect to SMSG for sending messages. Okay. So how you will connect to SMSCs? How will you connect to any VAS servers, any CRBT, missed call alert services, and all that, anything? You will connect to RESTful APIs.
Okay.
Okay. So like currently we have deployed voice over Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi calling is already running. We are all are using. So right now SMS over Wi-Fi is also enabled. So the radio network is not required to send SMS anymore. You can send SMS over Wi-Fi network. We can do this, like it is services live running in Bharti network. Okay. Means it will not take responsibility of radio network. Radio network has to do nothing with SMS sending. It will send you from your Wi-Fi router, which is installed, on your home.
Okay.
Yeah. Now this is PCF. PCF is just like our PCRF, policy control function, for in 5G network. It supports policy control framework, applying policy decisions, accessing subscriber information for network behavior. When compared to 4G EPC, its functionality resembles with PCRF or any 4G network. So for more documentation, this is given. Also charging in 5G network, how everything is being done here. Okay. Now next is UDM. It performs operations like user identification, handling, and subscriber management. When compared to 4G network, it will like a HSS or AAA server of any 4G network. AAA accounting, authorization, and authorization. For 4G, we were talking in terms of 3GPP. 3GPP is a entity.
Okay.
For 5G, it is also for the everyone. This is for 5G authority from the 5G.
Okay. Whoever launching 5G, they have to use all these components. This is because it's closely integrated with 5G technology, you're saying?
Yes.
Okay. It's not okay. Okay.
And Arpit, all the air protocol is the HTTP2, right? Based on HTTP only. Even from UDF to UPF, like user plane to control plane, and like SMF, AUF, those all the nodes, the interaction between all these nodes is a HTTP only, right?
HTTP.
You mean the interaction between all the nodes by
All
only
the nodes,
HTTP?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because everything is on this cloud wala.
Cloud. Okay. So Ramaswamy and
I worry about only radio. How to for radio, right? Radio will have how can interact with the radio. Radio also is HTTP.
No. From radio it will act, है ना? यहाँ पे G node B हो जाएगा. From G node B, it will be a G node B. So we
okay,
can.
You said some AP, right? Some AP.
S1 AP protocol was there.
Yes.
When MME were connected, E node B were this exchanging of data will be done on the S1 AP protocol. S1 MME is the interface only. The protocol used was S1 AP here. So now G node B will come from the new radio point of contact. But the main thing which we have to see here, this everything is like with CloudNative on the REST APIs. So it will have the containers, and inside containers will run inside the microservices will run inside the containers. Orchestration and this declarative APIs, immutable features will be there. Service meshing will be there. Everything we need to understand. See, this is your G node B. From UE, it will connect to G node B. G node B is your E node B was evolved node B, and G node B is your next generation node B.
Okay.
So it will connect to your UPF
Okay.
for the control user plane UPF. And further UPF will communicate to your SMF. SMF is having the functionality of MME, SGW, PGW control plane.
Yeah, session management.
Session management. So how to make session, it will correlate with this. And further it will like continue with this. This. Like wherever we have a standalone architecture, only like a true 5G, non-standalone. Okay?
No, not getting.
Like whenever there is a no fallback of 5G, only 5G will be there. So only G node B will cover.
See, example, you take Geo. Geo, they have only 4G. They never had a 3G license or 2G license, right? Then they will cannot fall back to 2G network, right? In Geo network.
So
Maybe if they have agreement with the other operators, then they can have. But otherwise, there is no fallback for them from 4G to 3G or 2G.
Because
okay,
Geo description of the standalone and non-standalone 5G connectivity. Any call will initiate from your EPC and then it will go to your 5G core network. Okay, and for a non-standalone architecture where there will be a not true 5G, it may comprise of the E node B and G node B as well. Like for example, I am in a serving area of G node B. I can initiate a call from G node B, and if not, I will initiate a call from E node B for 4G network, and later on I can switch to 5G network.
Okay.
This is the funda here.